Setting up recommendations. In this short video, I will show you how to use the Frosmo personalization software to create recommendations in a quick and sophisticated way. A typical scenario: I have been running product recommendations for some time now, but they don't seem to present my offering well enough and don't adjust to the customer journey very well. I would like my recommendations to support the customer in discovering products that they need, as well as to drive up and cross-sell when the time is right during the customer's journey. But I don't want to spend any time managing the recommendations manually. I'll show you how easy this is with the Frosmo personalization software. This is my demo e-commerce site with different product categories. Frosmo comes with a retail blueprint, including templates that define the most typical recommendation strategies for different elements on the site. The default presentation of the recommendations is in this drawer, but they can also be placed anywhere on the site. For the purpose of this example, we have some tracking data shown in this small window. As I am totally new to this site, it doesn't yet have any data about my browsing history. Let's start setting this up. I will now open the Frosmo control panel. Let's start from the first page, where we have a recommendation strategy running for new visitors. I currently fall into this segment. I will see the recommendations drawer with two variations that are optimized automatically with multi-armed bandit using the trending products recommendation strategy or the overall popular strategy. I'm going to leave it as it is. As I go through my customer journey, I'm presented with different types of recommendations while the software learns more about me and my interests. For this example, I'll now view some of the products here in the food section. The recommendations on the first page start showing more relevant products according to my interests. I need to view more products for the software to recognize my affinity. As you can see, I am now placed in the Mr. Fruit affinity group and will soon see more relevant recommendations based on my affinity. This is how Frosmo recommendations work. I'll show you another example. On the front page of my site, I've manually managed product content, but I would like to make it automatic. This is how I will create a new recommendation-driven front page in the Frosmo control panel. I'll start by naming this personalization Front Page Recommendations. I want to show it to everyone and will place it on the Front Page Recommendations carousel. Then I'm going to add some recommendation strategies here. Overall popular products on the site, most popular in the category, and most viewed by the visitor. I could use as many recommendations as I want with different rules, but to make things simple for this example, let's settle for these three. I'm going to activate the modification now and remove the comparison group this time. Next, I'll activate the personalization and reload the page. We can now see that the recommendations are displayed. We can still see that the most popular items on this website are the drills, but we also see personalized recommendations based on my affinity towards fruits and veggies. This is how quickly you can set up recommendations and see immediate results.